What's up, YouTube? Today, got the Yerf-Dog kind of taken apart. You guys can see that. I did a review where you guys can see it with the roll cage on there. Kind of looks sick without it. I don't know. Here's the front, the middle above your head, and then that goes on the back of the motor. I think it kind of looks good without it, but it's better to be safe than sorry, especially with these ones known to roll. Get my little stoppers in there. All right. Well, today I'm gonna weld up the roll cage. I have a clutch, a chain, and I guess a kill switch. I got to get some bullet connectors first. So I don't know. Let's see what we got for it. So here's my little table of goodies. So I took the clutch off that one to put it on that little green one over there. So I had to get a new one. So, let's see. Whoops. Ooh, hardware. Drive clutch. All right, so I got the clutch, and I think it said it was a 10 or 12 tooth. So I ordered this clutch for the Ken Kart, but it was 35 chain and the sprocket is not 35. So I kind of ordered this stuff for no reason. Oh, there goes my coffee. I got a 41 right there, a 40 and a 41. Whole bunch of kill switches, and then the right clutch for the Predator. Fits the chain. Seatbelt will be going on the Yerf-Dog too. And then I got some chain brake tools, just in case I have to shorten the chains. This one does 25 through 60. I don't know, this one's like 420 through 528 or something. I don't know. And I got this wheel hub for the Ken Kart. You guys will see that they messed that axle all up. It'll be all right. And then what is this? Comet clutch. I believe this one's for Frankenstein. So, all right. We'll dress up. I'm gonna blast the rest of this apart, take the motor off, maybe the wheels, and start welding it up. So I got the motor off, got it up on jack stands. I just thought I'd show you guys this real quick before. So this bracket, here, let's try and get it lined up. There you go. This bracket is all bent because the brake's getting pulled and it's shifting the band sideways. And they had this bracket back here, but I'm new to go-karts, but I'm sure this bracket goes right here in between that bolt to hold it in line. So I was gonna cut like a little cut and weld in a little gusset right here to make it stronger. But now I think I'm just gonna take this off, move it to the front, bend that straight, and then put the bolt and band everything back in. But we'll see. I didn't take the wheels off because I don't have a socket that big. So it was pretty rusty. But it came off the bead again. You see that? Damn it. All right. I think I pushed this welder to its limits. So here you go. This is some, I don't know, pretty thick metal. I didn't measure it. But here you go, a little crappy. Started getting better, fixed the wire speed. And then the welder got hot, shut off. Too hot. Well, there we go for now. That one's semi-welded. Got a couple spots filling the holes, no rust. That side's all right. That side looks like shit. It's still bolted up here. Got to clean it up a little bit more. But, geez, it's not shaking now. Before it was so loud and cha-cha-cha-cha. Seat's loose. Hell yeah. All right, here's what we got. We got that all, the holes filled in, back, right side, left side, up top, got the holes filled in. Down here in the front, the front holes filled in, not the back though. Just leave those ones. Yeah, ran out of welding wire. Had to go to Harbor Freight, get some more. This little thing didn't last long. Weld for a while, shut off, gotta let it cool down. Here's the brake. Got the little extra little piece in there. Keep the bolt going straight. It's riding right there a little bit right now on the drum, but it'll bounce around, loosen up. So there it is, soaping up. I got some washers. I went and got some washers. Put some washers in right here. And there we go. Almost ready for the motor. Clutch and chain. Well, there it is. Got the frame all welded up. Already slapped some paint on it. Here, I'll come around the front. Not gonna be making that much noise anymore. But but I still got one more thing to put on. Let's see where to go. So, gotta put that under the seat over here. Well, that's where the original was mounted. What the hell? Go up in my seat. All right. The original was something like this. Just more like that. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Put the nuts back on there, tighten it down, put the seat cover back on. Still gotta do a kill switch. I went to Harbor Freight. Got some extra supplies. I don't know what size they were. I stopped by O'Reilly's too. Got both of those so I can wire the kill switch. But that's it. Look how easy this install is. Clutch goes on. Boom, right there. Look at that sprocket. Line right up. The brakes worked out. It's gonna be just fine. But the stupid bolt they sent me for the, was it the driver clutch? It's the wrong size thread pitch. So I gotta go look up and see what size that is because I don't have any way to figure that out at home. So I gotta go look that up. Well, that's it for now.